Welcome to English through Book Ideas. Learn English, grow your mind.
What is one question that can start a friendly conversation in English?
Maybe, what do you like?
Good, but today, let's make it more natural. Instead of only asking, what do you like, we can ask, what's your favorite movie?
Oh, that sounds very natural.
Yes, and we can answer with a simple sentence. My favorite movie is... For example, my favorite movie is Spider-Man.
Nice. My favorite movie is an animated movie. I love stories that make me feel happy.
Great answer. And today, we will also learn how to return the question.
Return the question? What does that mean?
It means after you answer, you ask the same question back. For example, my favorite movie is Spider-Man. What about you?
Ah, so I don't stop the conversation, I continue it.
Exactly. This is a small skill, but it makes your English sound friendly, natural, and confident.
I need this. Sometimes I answer one question, then the conversation stops.
Today, we will fix that. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to ask about favorites, answer with my favorite is, and return the question with what about you?
I'm ready.
Let's begin with today's speaking goal. Today's speaking goal is simple. Ask and answer questions about favorites.
Favorites like favorite movie?
Yes, also favorite food, favorite music, favorite sport, favorite book, favorite place to travel, favorite video game, and favorite thing to buy when shopping.
That is very useful for daily conversation.
Very useful. When you meet a friend, a classmate, a coworker, or someone new, asking about favorites is a great way to start a conversation.
Because people like talking about what they enjoy.
Exactly. Today, we will focus on one main expression.
What is it?
My favorite movie is. Repeat after me. My favorite movie is.
My favorite movie is.
Good. Now we can change the word movie. My favorite food is.
My favorite food is.
My favorite sport is.
My favorite sport is.
My favorite music is.
My favorite music is.
Excellent! This pattern is easy but very powerful.
So I only need to change the topic word.
Correct. Now let's learn the main phrase and conversation skill. The main phrase is my favorite movie is, and the conversation skill is returning the question.
So I can say, my favorite movie is Titanic. What about you?
Perfect. That is a complete natural answer.
Why is what about you so important?
Because it shows interest in the other person. It tells them, I answered, and now I want to hear from you.
That sounds polite.
Yes, and friendly. Let's practice the basic pattern.
Okay.
Question, what's your favorite movie?
Answer, my favorite movie is Avatar. What about you?
Nice. Now I answer, my favorite movie is The Lion King.
Great. The conversation continues.
Exactly. You can also ask, how about you? It has the same meaning.
So I can say, my favorite food is pizza. How about you?
Yes, what about you and how about you are both natural.
Which one should beginners use?
Start with what about you. It is simple and very common.
Got it. Answer, then return the question.
Now, let's listen to a short dialogue. Julia, what's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Inside Out. What about you, David?
My favorite movie is The Lion King. I like the music and the story.
Nice. Do you like animated movies?
Yes, I do. What about you?
Yes, I love animated movies. They're fun and emotional.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is sushi. What about you?
My favorite food is fried rice. It is simple, but I love it.
Good answer. What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is football. What about you?
My favorite sport is badminton. I play it with my friends.
Nice. What's your favorite kind of music?
My favorite music is pop music. What about you?
My favorite music is acoustic music. It helps me relax.
This is easy. Ask, answer, and return the question.
Exactly. Now, let's break it down. Let's look at the sentence, my favorite movie is Inside Out.
Okay. My means it belongs to me.
Correct. Favorite means the one I like the most.
Movie is the topic.
Yes, and is connects the topic to your answer.
So, my favorite movie is Inside Out means Inside Out is the movie I like the most.
Exactly. Now we can change the topic. My favorite food is sushi.
My favorite sport is badminton.
My favorite video game is Minecraft.
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Great. After your answer, add, what about you?
My favorite book is Harry Potter. What about you?
Perfect. That makes your answer more conversational.
Can I ask, and you?
Yes, but what about you sounds fuller and more natural for learners.
So I should practice, what about you?
Yes. One more thing. When speaking, use a friendly tone. Don't sound like a robot.
Like this. My favorite movie is Inside Out. What about you?
Great. Smooth and friendly.
Now I understand.
Now let's practice with more examples. Example 1. Movies. What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Frozen. What about you?
My favorite movie is Avatar. I like the beautiful world.
Nice.
Example 2. Food. What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is noodles. What about you?
My favorite food is pizza. I like cheese.
Me too.
Example 3. Sports. What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is volleyball. What about you?
My favorite sport is football. I like watching it with friends.
That sounds fun.
Example 4. Video games. What's your favorite video game?
My favorite video game is Mario Kart. What about you?
My favorite video game is FIFA. I like football games.
Good. This is useful for talking with friends.
Example 5. Music. What's your favorite music?
My favorite music is K-pop. What about you?
My favorite music is jazz. It feels calm.
I like that.
Example 6. Books. What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is The Little Prince. What about you?
My favorite book is Atomic Habits. I like self-improvement books.
Great.
Example 7. Travel. What's your favorite place to travel?
My favorite place to travel is the beach. What about you?
My favorite place to travel is the mountains.
Nice. And shopping?
Good question. What's your favorite thing to buy when shopping?
My favorite thing to buy is clothes. What about you?
My favorite thing to buy is books.
Now, let's talk about common mistakes.
Oh no, I think I make many mistakes.
Don't worry, mistakes help you improve. Mistake number 1, forgetting is.
Like my favorite movie, Avatar?
Yes, that is missing is. Say, my favorite movie is Avatar.
My favorite movie is Avatar.
Good. Mistake number 2, using most favorite.
Is my most favorite movie is Avatar wrong?
In everyday English, we usually say, my favorite movie is Avatar. The word favorite already means the one you like the most.
So I should not say most favorite.
Correct. Mistake number 3, answering too short and not returning the question.
Like this, Avatar.
Yes, that answer is okay, but it can stop the conversation. A better answer is, my favorite movie is Avatar. What about you?
That sounds much better.
Mistake number 4, using the wrong topic word. For example, my favorite foods is pizza.
Because food is singular?
Yes, say my favorite food is pizza. But if you use plural, say my favorite foods are pizza and noodles.
I see. Food is, foods are.
Exactly. For today, keep it simple. Use one favorite. My favorite food is.
My favorite food is noodles. What about you?
Excellent. Now it's time for a mini practice challenge.
I like challenges.
I will ask you a question. You answer with my favorite is, and then return the question with what about you?
Okay, I'm ready.
Number 1. What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Inside Out. What about you?
My favorite movie is The Lion King.
Great.
Number 2. What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is sushi. What about you?
My favorite food is fried rice. I can eat it anytime.
Same. And what's your favorite thing to buy when shopping?
My favorite thing to buy is books. What about you?
My favorite thing to buy is clothes.
Great. See, the conversation feels natural.
Yes, we are asking, answering, and returning the question.
That is the goal. Let's review what we learned today.
First, we learned how to ask about favorites.
Yes, what's your favorite movie? What's your favorite food? What's your favorite sport?
Second, we learned how to answer.
Right. My favorite movie is, my favorite food is, my favorite sport is.
Third, we learned how to return the question.
Exactly. Add what about you after your answer.
For example, my favorite movie is Inside Out. What about you?
Perfect. And we practiced vocabulary, sports, video games, food, music, movies, books, travel, and shopping.
I also learned to avoid mistakes.
Yes, don't forget is, don't say most favorite, and don't stop the conversation with only one word.
Use a full sentence and return the question.
Excellent summary. Now, here is your speaking challenge for today.
Answer these questions in the comments or practice with a friend.
Number 1, what's your favorite movie?
Number 2, what's your favorite food?
Number 3, what's your favorite sport?
Number 4, what's your favorite video game?
Number 5, what's your favorite place to travel?
Remember to answer with my favorite is, and then ask, what about you?
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video and subscribe to English Through Book Ideas.
We help you learn English in a simple, practical, and friendly way.
Practice today's phrase 3 times. My favorite movie is, what about you?
My favorite movie is, what about you?
Great job. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and we'll see you in the next lesson.
Bye and happy learning!